Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. This month's challenge is chicken. Really anything you want, so I'm going to be making, I was kind of fishing around for ideas online and came up with chicken enchiladas. So, I got my pan out. I'm going to be using a little supportive cookware. Mainly my, I'm going to be baking them in this, my lasagna pan. So, let's get busy. Alright, so I got a pound and a half of chicken. I only asked her for 5 chicken thighs, which are my favorite. So, it might be pretty big. Go ahead and get those trimmed up and get a lot of the extra fat off. Alright, just wrapping up the prep on this chicken. Kind of cutting it down into like nugget sizes. Crap. Alright, go ahead and season the chicken. I was asked if I use sloppy mama still, and I still do. Got some cumin here. That never wants to come out. Got some thyme. That would be good. And some paprika. And some salt. And just give it a nice stir. Alright, that's alright, well, I'm waiting for the pan to warm up. Go ahead and start dicing up a jalapeno. I've also got a couple of mushrooms I'm going to throw in. Let's go ahead and add the chicken. Alright, chicken's probably not cooked all the way, but it won't be a problem because I'm gonna continue cooking while the jalapenos go in. I'll throw in the mushrooms too. Some of the garlic. The hell, throw it all in there. I was thinking about doing the sauce in the pan back here, but I think I might just try to do it all in one pan. So I'm taking a risk. Of course, I gotta add a little bit more olive oil to the mushrooms. They like to soak up a lot of oil. So, alright, I wanted to add some chicken stock. Maybe half a cup, whatever this measurement is, third of a cup, whatever. Use it to deglaze. That comes back up to
got a corn on the cob here. Gonna run the knife down and remove the kernels.
Throw that in there as well. Alright, so what I was thinking was I wanted to do like a white sauce to pour over the top. And I thought I would do it in a pan, but as you can see, I'd have to cook all that water out, and I just don't have the patience to sit there and wait for it. Although chicken thighs are quite, you know, you're not really worried about cooking them, overcooking them too much, because they're a real tender meat. What I thought I'd do is make the white sauce in this skillet. It's just a little bit of butter and a little bit of olive oil and some. I was gonna save out some of the garlic, and I just threw it all in. Add a little salt. Alright, and then I'm gonna pour in some milk. And I'll just keep. Dang it. Every time I make gravy, that happens. May have to whisk that so it's smooth. Thing, I had some lime. I had a lime here on the squeeze in some fresh lime juice. I think it'd go well with the mix. Alright, let's assemble. So, I'm going to do a, you know, should I grab the spoon? It was non-slotted, so I can actually get some of that liquid in there. Cheddar cheese in there, and I've also got pepper jack cheese. I'm gonna roll these up. And I've got my dish here. Oh, will it fit? Yes, it will. Unfortunately, I had to break out another dish because it was too. It wasn't quite. I should have used a spoon. There's sauce. You know, I never even tasted it. A little bland. Should have added more garlic to it. Sorry. I just wanted to cover the top. Hopefully the ingredients inside the burrito will make up for the sauce's shortcomings a little bit. And then a little bit of cheddar to add a little color. And the oven's ready to go, so. Alright. These suckers in the oven. Oh man, making this might have been a mistake. It is hot as hell in here. Oh, I think I'm crooked. Well, anyway, I'm just pulling it out of the oven, so whatever. Oh yeah. And then I can put my well-washed cast iron in the oven. Sweet. Alright, turn it off. It's only been about 5-6 minutes. Let's get these out of here. Oh, maybe they're more burrito than enchilada. I'll have to Google the difference. Maybe I made chicken burritos. And I've got some avocado, which I'm gonna chop up off camera because it takes a while. And there we go. Let's taste. Finally got all the junk cleaned off my table. So. Oh man. The white sauce came out really good. Along with the chicken, cheeses, mushroom, jalapeno. Yeah, that's really good. Oh, anyway, I do thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. Will be down below and also in the end, as well as last week's video, which was creamy coconut chicken curry. And have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your week. We'll catch you in the next one.